Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Rogue and I will show you which fuses to check in case your blower motor is not working and there is no air coming from the vents. This video will apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2007 all the way up to 2013. Now, before I show you the fuses, I will just quickly explain something. This will apply only in case your fan is not working at all. If your fan is working only on a specific speed, for example the highest setting, then most likely you are having problems with the blower motor relay. But if the fan is not blowing at all, then it's either the blower motor fuse or the blower motor failed itself. Okay, so the fuses you want to check will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin just under the steering wheel. To access them, first you want to pull this cover towards yourself. And on the back side of the cover you also have a small fuse diagram. Once the cover is off the way, here you will have access to the fuses. You will be checking two 15 amp fuses at the top right corner, so these two right here, and those are the fuses responsible for power to the blower motor. Now if these fuses are good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper and first test if the power is coming to the blower motor. If it is, then the blower motor failed. If it's not, then you have a wiring issue. But first things first, always first check the fuses. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.